Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. I'm here to announce our Coronapocalypse Scorpion EXO-R1 Air Fabio Quartararo autographed helmet giveaway. The helmet that I have in front of me, right, is something special. Fabio Quartararo was the Rookie of the Year last year in MotoGP racing in this kick-ass Scorpion EXO-R1 Air. This helmet is his replica graphic. The shield, most importantly, this is one of his MotoGP shields with a tear-off. You can see his duct tape on it, and it's autographed, right? This is one of those unobtainium pieces you can't buy it, right? It's hard to come by for sure. I was fortunate enough we got two of these. I'm keeping one for my personal collection, but this one was meant to be given away. This is a really challenging time that we're all going through, this Coronapocalypse. And I think that at the end of the day, the people that are going to be most affected by this day in and day out are going to be our healthcare professionals. For that reason, what I've decided to do is run a giveaway that is focused on a healthcare professional that's on the front lines and is a motorcycle rider or enthusiast. What we need you to do is go to the post that we have on Facebook announcing this giveaway. We need you to tag an individual who is a healthcare worker on the front lines that's a motorcycle rider. Whichever name that has been tagged under that post gets the most likes by April 9th, which is a Thursday. Thursday is the day that we're going to give the helmet away. You will be the one to get this helmet. The whole intention here is to take somebody who is having probably one tough day right after another and change that for them. Give them one day where they come home, they open the box, and they're just pumped. And I think this is something pretty cool that has the potential to do just that.